So show that the 4 points with the position vectors here. These are position vectors of 4 points here. So that these 4 points are coplanar. So you know that the vectors a bar, b bar, c bar are coplanar. If a bar scalar triple product a bar, b bar, c bar is a 0 here. This is a condition here. Therefore, take a solution. Y is equal to position vector of the point A here. So 4i plus 8j plus 12k. Then take care OB. Position vector of the point B here. 2i plus 4j plus 6k. Then OC here. Position vector of the point C. So 3i plus 5j plus 4k, and position vector of the point D here, that is 5i plus 8j plus 5k. Okay. Then you find here AB. Here AB is equal to OB minus OA. Okay, that is equal to OB is this vector here, OA is this vector. Subtract each other. OB minus OA. 2i minus 4i gives minus 2i. 4j minus 8j minus of 2j. 6k minus 12k is a minus of 6k. This is the vector AB. Then AC. The vector AC is equal to OC minus of OA. That is equal to OC minus OA. 3i minus 4i gives a minus of 5. 5j minus 8j minus 3j. 4k minus 12k. Then a minus of 8k. Minus 8k. Then find your AD. Here AD is equal to, so OD minus of OA. OD minus OA. So OD minus OA. 5i minus 4i becomes 1i. 8j minus 8j cancels, it is a 0j. 5k minus 12k minus of 7k. Here 8j get cancels here. Therefore, the scalar triple product AB, then AC, and ADF. It's a scalar triple product is equal to. Yes, this is a formula. Okay. Therefore, determinant of minus 2, minus 2, minus 6, minus 2, minus 2, minus 6 here, minus 1, minus 3, minus 8. Minus 1, minus 3, minus 8, 1, 0, minus 7 here, 1, 0, minus of 7. Then exponent here. Hence, this is equal to minus of 2 into 7 is 21 here, minus into minus plus, minus 0 into 8 is 0. Minus of minus becomes a plus 2 here, into minus 1 into minus 7 is a plus 7, minus of 1 into minus 8 is a minus 8, minus this minus become plus here, plus 8, minus 6 here, minus 6 into minus 1 into 0 becomes a 0, minus of 1 into minus 3 is a minus 3, minus 1 into this minus becomes plus 3 here. Okay, this plus 3. Therefore, this equal to minus 2 into 21, minus of 42 here. Then 7 plus 8 here, 15 into 2 gives a 30. It is a 30 here. Then 6 3 is 18. So minus of 18 here. Minus 18. Sorry. So there is a mistake here. OB minus Y. OB minus Y. 2i minus 2i. 4i become minus 2i. 4j minus 8j becomes a minus of 4j. So it is a minus of 4j. Therefore, here it is a minus 4j. Minus of 4. Yes, sir. Just observe here. Minus of 2 here. 7 is a 21. Minus of 0. Minus minus plus 4. Then 7 plus 8 here. Minus of 6 into, so 0 plus 3. Therefore 21 into 2 becomes a minus of 42 here. 7 plus 8 15 4 60 here. Then 6 is 18 minus of 18. Therefore minus 42 minus 18 is a 60, minus 60 plus 60 becomes a 0. Yes, scalar triple product is a 0. Yes, the points are coplanar. Therefore, here A, B, C and D are coplanar. Okay, therefore here you can take AB, AC and AD. Even you can take here BA, BD, BA, BC and BD here. BA, BC and BD is equal to 0. Or you can take here CA, CB and CD is equal to 0. Or you can take here DA, DB, DC is equal to 0. You choose any one here. You can take this one or this one or this one or this one here. Just to prove it is this equal to 0. Then the points are what here? Coplanar. You choose any one of these three. Okay. Even this is also same type example here. So prove that the given points are coplanar here. Hence, take OA is equal to 4i plus 5j plus k and OB minus j minus k and OC is 3i plus 9j plus 4k and OD take 4 inside here minus 4i plus 4j plus 4k plus 4k. Then AB is given by OB minus OA. OB minus OA. So there is no item here. So this minus means a minus of 4i here. Minus j minus 5j minus of 6j minus k gives a minus of 2k. Then OC minus OA. This minus is here 3i minus 4i is a minus I. 9j minus 5j plus 4j and 4k minus k becomes plus 3k. Then OD minus A minus 4i minus 4i minus of 8i 4j minus 5j minus of j 4k minus k becomes plus 3k. Therefore, the scalar triple product AB, AC and AD is equal to determinant of. We are using this form here. Therefore, minus 4, minus 6, minus 12, minus 1, plus 4, plus 3, minus 8, minus 1 and plus 3. Then expand the determinant here. So, therefore, this equal to minus 4 into 4 3s are 12 here, minus of 3 1s are 3, minus 3 minus minus plus 3 here. Minus of minus become plus 6 here. Minus 1 into 3 gives a minus of 3 minus of 8 3s are 24 here. Minus into minus plus 24. Then minus 2 into minus become plus 1 here. Minus of 8 4s are 32 here. Minus into this minus with plus 32 here. Therefore, this equal to 12 plus 3, 15. 15 fours are 60 here. Minus of 60. 24 minus 1 is 21 here. Into 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12 here. So 126 here plus 126. 32 plus 1 becomes 33. So 33 into this 2 here. That is 66 here. So plus 66 minus 7. Minus sign is there. So minus of 66 here. Minus 60 minus 66 minus 126 plus 126 becomes a 0 here. Okay. So this becomes a 0. And therefore a scalar triple product is a 0 means the points are coplanar here. Therefore the points are A, B, C and D are coplanar. Okay. Here find the value of x so that these 4 points are coplanar here. Okay. Therefore, first write its position matrix here. So V is a position vector of the point here. So 3i plus 2j plus k. And the position vector of the point B is 4i plus xj plus 5k. Position vector of the point C here, OC is 4i plus 2j minus of 2k. And the position vector of the point D here, that is 6i plus 5j minus k. Okay, or position vectors of the points are A, B, C and D. Okay. Then we find here AB, just like a previous example here. AB is equal to OB minus OA. That is equal to. So 4i minus 3i is 1i here. And xj minus 2j, x minus 2 into j. 5k minus k becomes plus 4k. Then AC is OC minus of OA. That is equal to 4i minus 3i becomes 1i here. 2j into 2j cancels. Minus 2k minus k gives minus of 3k. Then the vector AD is equal to OD minus of OA. That is equal to 6i minus 3i becomes 3i. 5j minus 2j becomes 3j. And minus k gives minus of 2k. Minus 2k. Here they given the points are coplanar since the points A, B, C, D are coplanar. Therefore, we have the scalar triple product AB, AC and AD is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Therefore, determinant of AB is this vector here. So write here 1, then x minus 2, then 4 here. Then AC 1 0 minus 3, 1 0 minus 3 here. 3 3 minus 2. So 3 3 minus 2, that is equal to 0. Then expand it here. So 1 into 0 into minus 2 becomes a 0. Minus of 3 threes are 9 here. Minus 9. Minus minus plus 9 here. Minus of x minus 2. Minus of x minus 2 into 1 into minus 2 becomes minus 2 minus of 3 threes are 9 here. Minus 9. Minus minus plus 9 here. Then plus 4 here. So 4 into 1 into 3 becomes a 3. Minus of 3 into 0 becomes a 0. That is equal to 0. Therefore, 1 into 9 is a 9 here. Then minus of 9 minus 2 becomes a 7. 7 into x minus 2 here. Then the fourth is a 12 plus 12 is equal to 0. Therefore, 9 plus 12 is a 21 here. Okay. Then take 7 inside the bracket here. Otherwise, keep as it is. Minus of 7 into x minus 2, or take this one right hand side here. Minus becomes plus here. 7 into x minus 2. Okay, 9 plus 12 becomes 21. Take this term right hand side here, minus becomes a plus here. Therefore, 7 ones are 7 3s are 21. 3 is equal to x minus 2. Take a minus 2 to this side, 3 plus 2 becomes a 5. Therefore, the value of x is a 5. So, this is a very important example here because they asked 4 times here: March 17, July 17, March 18, and March 20 here. 4 times they asked here, and it is a 3 marks question here. Very important example. Okay.